Hi everyone, welcome back to today's morning report on Thursday the 21st of May with me, Rich Perry, market analyst at Tantech Markets. I'm going to have a look at cable now, and very interesting moves on cable in the last couple of days actually. If you just take a step back and just look at the Bank of England meeting minutes and the Fed meeting minutes, basically Bank of England was slightly sort of more on the hawkish side, and Fed was remaining fairly dovish. So subsequently you've sort of would argue that generally speaking that would be fairly supportive of sterling, and it so seems to be the case. Now this is the daily chart of sterling, and look at this big correction back towards the neckline. Never got a close below the 50 big figure support in the last couple of days, and we've started to use once again this big uptrend from the April low. And I also believe that these momentum indicators are just still in bullish configuration. Look at how the fact that the RSI is still nicely above that mid-50s point. The MACD lines are actually coming back together, maybe even ready to do another one of these bullish kisses as well. You've got the stochastics that are again still above 50 and looking to turn up. And I just think generally speaking, this chart is actually still fairly positive. You've seen a very strong reaction today from those UK retail sales data, 100 pips up on the day. And this is the hourly chart, and that's obviously the retail sales reaction there. And it's sort of is still sort of confirming that the support band 55 to 55.50 is intact really. You pushed it back above that resistance that we had from yesterday, 55.90 area, and that is obviously your initial support. Again, 55.50 is your support as well, and then at the bottom 54.45 from the Tuesday low. But certainly this reaction that we're having on cable just continues my belief that cable is one of the more positive forex majors at the moment, and the reason behind that is because the UK data continues to come out strongly, and you've also got the technicals that are backing that up. So you've got potential for a test of the first resistance that comes in at around 56.70. Also look at this this pivot level that we've got going on at 57 figure, the sort of reaction highs that we saw on the 12th of May, breaking out, used as support again there on the 18th of May, and then break down and become the basis of resistance. So that is now your initial basis of resistance at 57.50. Sorry, a 57 figure. So that needs to be broken higher. But certainly you would argue that this reaction that we've had today is pushing this cable chart strongly more positive again, and I really do really am fairly positive about this reaction that we've had in the last couple of days, because this strong move higher found support after 3 days of correction. The strong move higher has found support after 3 days correction. So I'm still positive on cable, and I really like the way this one is moving. I think that as I said, I'd say that sterling is far more positive than, say, for example, the euro is at the moment, and I would be looking to play that as my trade. Maybe even looking at currencies like euro, sterling to the downside as another way to play that. So I wish you good luck in your trading on cable today, and I would speak to you later. Thank you.